Hello, and welcome to Romeo and Juliet, Section 3, Lesson 2, Director's Interpretation. Today you will answer questions about how the characters of Lady Capulet, the Prince, and Montague are used to develop a theme in Act 3, Scene 1. You will add details to the text theme understanding tool. You will view Act 3, Scene 1 in Romeo and Juliet, directed by Franco Zeffirelli, and West Side Story, directed by Robert Wise and Jerome Robbins. You will identify the choices, specifically in setting and character, that the director makes when adapting the text to the screen, and how these choices are used to develop themes in the film. You will answer questions about how the text and film versions differ, and how those differences relate to the development of themes. Finally, you will add details to your film theme understanding tool. Before we get too bogged down in this lesson, let's look at our culminating writing task prompt. What theme is developed in the last scene of Romeo and Juliet? Choose one film version of the play and discuss the choices the director made when creating a film version of this scene. How do these choices enhance or detract from the themes developed in the play? Here are our learning targets for this lesson. Can you identify choices in setting and characters made by a director and explain how these choices develop a theme? Can you identify how directors develop characters and themes within a film? For this lesson, you will need the text theme understanding tool first posted in Lesson 1.3, the film theme understanding tool first posted in Lesson 1.4, the clip from Romeo and Juliet, directed by Franco Zeffirelli, the clip from West Side Story, directed by Wise and Robbins, and the Story Differences handout posted in today's lesson. Now you're going to develop your response to the question to determine and analyze the meaning of Act 3, Scene 1 from Romeo and Juliet. You will share your response with the class in Nearpod. You will support your response with evidence from the text. What was the theme developed in Act 3, Scene 1? How are Lady Capulet, Lord Montague, and the Prince used to develop that theme about hate or revenge? As you answer these questions in Nearpod, I want you to consider the following. What is Lady Capulet's initial reaction to the death of Tybalt? How does Montague defend Romeo? What was the Prince's relationship to Mercutio? What does the Prince's judgment reveal about his beliefs about vengeance? You will have 5 minutes to answer these questions in Nearpod.